Hello, my dear students. I hope you are doing well. So, I am trying to write the values for acceleration of center of mass for the bodies which are rolling down along the inclined plane. So, remember one thing, all of you, for all the values, g sine theta remains common term. The same term for all the values, g sine theta is a common term. Okay. And here we have m coefficient as 1, denominator as 2. Bring this denominator into numerator and just add these two values. So 1 plus 2 will become 3. And here we have m coefficient as 1, denominator as 1. Add both and bring to the denominator and bring this denominator to the numerator. Next, add these two and bring it to denominator and bring this 5 to the numerator. Again, add both, bring to the denominator and bring this 3 to the numerator. So please share this video to all the friends, okay, and students. So all of you, so these are the moment of inertia values with respect to axis of rotation, and these are the values of acceleration of center of mass for a body rolling down the inclined plane. So this will be helpful as a shortcut for you and write in the values directly in the Iitjee and in the Neet examinations. Thank you. Good luck. Bye.